In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with geometry nodes in 5 minutes. Let's create a UV sphere. We need 16 segments. We also need a cube. Let's scale it down. We need a set of simple geometry nodes to instance the cube on the surface of the sphere. Instance to points, distribute points on faces, and object info will do. Let's scale the instanced cubes down a bit. Let's go to the top viewport. Shift D to duplicate, S to scale, and R to rotate. I'll add a metallic material to the original cube. Let's find the best angle to render. I'll create a background plane, rotate it, and scale it. Let's use the sky texture. I'll reduce the camera's focal length a bit. I'll turn off use nodes under compositing, and use 32 samples to render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.